Hello everyone and welcome to Learning Updates. Today in this video I am also back with some free certification course provided by Udemy. So the first course will be Negotiation Skills, ChatGPT for Negotiation and Social Skills. So you can see there are 2,671 students already are enrolled in this course. So negotiation is a critical skill in today's competitive business landscape, and with the assistance of ChatGPT, you will learn how to prepare, strategize, and navigate through various negotiation scenarios with confidence and finesse. So what we will learn? So you will learn preparation of assistance, scripting opening statements, developing response to common questions, brainstorming solutions, and so on. So, who should enroll this course? This course is designed for professionals at all levels who want to enhance their negotiation skills and achieve better outcomes in their workplace interactions. Whether you are a seasoned negotiator looking to refine your approach or no voice seeking to build a strong foundation, ChatGPT for business negotiations offer valuable insights and practical techniques to help you succeed. So you can see this course is free for limited time after applying this coupon code which already applied over here. So after the coupon code expires after 3 days, so you have to pay 1799 rupees to purchase this course. So hurry up and before it expires apply this coupon code and enroll in this course. So the next course will be Excel certification exam preparation for practice tests 2024. So if you want to improve your understanding and confidence in using Microsoft Excel, consider taking this Microsoft course. This course is suitable for individuals with little no experience in Excel and covers questions ranging from beginner to advanced levels. So diverse set of questions includes wide range of topics providing useful insights in your Excel skills, whether you are looking for enhance your knowledge, increase your confidence, or prepare for an interview or exam. This course is an excellent resource to boost your Excel skills. You can see there are 6,846 students already enrolled in this course, and this course is recently updated on month of January. This course is also free for limited time. After applying this coupon code, this course is free for 2 days, only 2 days. After that, you have to purchase this course with paying 1999 rupees. So there are lots of learning materials and contents available in this course, like introducing to basics formulas, understanding cell reference, exploring common functions, data management analysis, and so on. There are lots of contents provided with this course. So move on to the next course. The next course will be Complete Python 2024 for absolute beginners. You can see there are 45,787 students already enrolled in this course, and they are very top notch rating of 4.5 already provided by the learners and someone who have already enrolled in this course. So in this course, you will learn the foundational and fundamentals of Python programming language along with programming based practices. You will learn to present and store data using Python data types and variables, and use conditional and loops to control the flow of your programs. You will harness the power of complex data structures like lists, sets, dictionaries, and tuples to store collections of related data. This is most comprehensive a straightforward course for the Python programming language. So there are 8 sections and 18 lectures are provided with this course. There are overall 3 hour and 11 minutes of content providing with this course. This is also a paid course, free for limited time. After applying this coupon code, you will get 3 hours of on-demand video and full lifetime access. Also, you will get the free certification after completing this course. Move on to the next course, which will be interviewing skills for jobs is the job interview. So, interviewing skills are the essential for job hunters. Imagine walking into every job interview knowing that you are going to come across your best, very best. Imagine getting your dream job. You will be excellent at job interviewing skills. You will know how to showcase your strengths and a- accomplishments in every job interview. You will learn secrets in preparation and planning that go beyond just checking out a company website. Employers will take notice of you. You won't be lost in the pack. Finally, you will learn a foolproof system for eliminating nervousness before any job interview. This course will take several hours to complete. You do all the exercises, become completely confident in your job interviewing skills. So this course is updated on August 2023. There are 72,284 students already enrolled in this course with 4.3 ratings. There are 1 hours of on-demand video available, and this course is also for full lifetime access after applying this coupon code with and enrolling this course. So move on to the next course, which will be statistics and probability using Excel statistics A to Z. So if you are looking for a complete course on statistics and probability, then you will find this course very much useful. This course will teach you the skill to apply statistics and data analytics tool to various business applications. After completing this course, you will be able to learn the concepts of probability and statistics required for the making business decisions. Learn important probability distributions such as normal distribution, Poisson distribution, exponential distribution, binomial distribution, etc. Conceptual and practical understanding of a confidence interval. Understand the Z statistic and the T statistics. Learn how to perform single tail and two tail hypothesis tests. Understand the logic of hypothesis testing. So there are lots of learning materials and contents providing with this course, as there are 39,416 students already enrolled in this course with 4-point rating out of 5. So there are 5.5 hours on demand video, that is huge learning content provided with this course. And this is also a paid course. After applying this coupon code, this course is only free for 4 days. After that, you have to pay 3,099 rupees to purchase this course. So please check out this course before the coupon code is expires. And the next course will be the complete Microsoft Teams course. And this course is issued by Microsoft 365, originally verified by and issued by Microsoft. And this course you will get 8 hours of on-demand video. That is a huge learning content provided by these course providers. And you can see there are 888 students already enrolled in this course. This course is recently updated on October 2023, and this course learning material will be in English language. So that's all about today.